Good evening, everybody. Got a new pickup here today that I got actually from Stockx. And to tell you the truth, a week ago I wasn't even sure exactly what this was going to be. Actually, I won. I want to say I won. My bid was accepted on July 4th, so it's a new JTH Jordan 3s. And there have been a couple pictures around. I was pretty sure it was going to be the light tan ones with the dark elephant print. And since then, that's what all the pictures have been saying. So I've only seen one unboxing. It was by JT himself. So here we go. So pretty excited about this. I missed the original JTH Jordans during the Super Bowl. I started watching a little bit late, and then decided I want to turn my phone off and not see what's going on, and then missed out on this. So like I did say, I did get this from Stockx. It's actually the first one they sold. So hoping these are authentic. Trust their process that they have, and then so we'll see what we get here. So as we see the Jordan box. So nothing else in there. So we can see the Jumpman logo here. And then as we get to the side, so we have the Man of the Woods logo here, and then when we're actually looking at the Jordan box itself, so let's see what we actually got here. So these are size 12, the Air Jordan 3 Retro JTH NRG. This actually has a Canadian logo or Canadian sticker on it here for $3.30 Canadian. So about 75 cents on the dollar there. So it'll be interesting when these release. I'll actually compare this tag here to what I see. Get a close-up of that there for everybody to see. Interesting that this is Canadian, so it's the Bio Beige, and Camilla. So made in China. So interesting here. And so as we open it up, so got a Stockx sticker, little note from Mr. Luber at Stockx. I want to call it Stockx. Makes more sense to me. Receipt, and then let's get to the show here. So as Mr. Timberlake showed on his, so we have the Man of the Woods wrapping here. Then we have the white wrapping. Here we go. And we have the left one here. So we have the orange laces that come with them as well. So we have our little Stockx verified tag here. Like I said, the orange laces, the Air Jordan Tinker Hatfield tag here. Now it comes on with the leather laces. So this is the left shoe here. You can see it's kind of looks like the pictures have been showing here. So we have the elephant over here, elephant print over here, elephant here. I know we have the suede material, the higher, which if anybody would ask, so it's a song on the album. We have our yellow lace loops down here. So then on the inside here we have Tinker signature. I think the other one's going to have JT's on it. And then when we see, what's it say? Stress is cruel. So seeing Justin, and he looks pretty stress-free right now. So we have the suede here. I'm just kind of looking to see if there's any defects. I know the Travis Scott had the blue suede. There's a lot of glue on those. So far, not seeing anything here. So on the outside, do have the swoosh. I know some people don't like the swoosh on the 3s. I can take it either way. We have the Jumpman on the tongue here. It's kind of the vinyl, and then it's really nice soft suede here. So pretty good shoe here. And then we'll pull out the other one here. So this comes with the tan laces. So it comes with 3. So we have the leather. We have the just the normal tan or the orange here. So we're looking just for anything special or anything. So these are new. So good job with Stockx being able to pull these in. Like I said, I missed the original JTHs, so was pretty happy to get these. See what they go for resale wise. I plan to keep them though, but if I get a good offer or there's a good bid out there, then I'll take it. And inside here, fame is a lie. And then we see Justin's signature here. I did see some fakes out there that had tinkers on both and some of the other colorways. So, I was a little nervous on that, but, from the Nike authentic pictures that were released over the weekend, or last week, just, these look legit. And here, it's the normal Jordan 3s with the stars down here on the toe. Just a good looking shoe here. So add it to my collection that I have. A little bit later, may add a video comparing the suede on here to the Travis Scott's, but we'll see. And so have them right here. Just a nice looking colorway, something different than the blacks, whites, the reds. And on the back of both of them, the Nike Air. So appreciate Stockx for this. They collect my money, so I'm sure they're happy as well. And if like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as well. And appreciate everybody's time for watching. And have a good evening.